A messy and dim meeting room not only decreases efficiency, but disturbs collaboration. AG Neovo Meetboard allows users to eliminate cable clutter and unnecessary devices. Enjoy a clean and organized meeting room. Meetboard's launcher is tailored to help users to get a meeting going without delay. Users can directly access files or other meeting materials and enjoy 4K videos and images with detail and clarity. Collaborating with traditional whiteboards can be inefficient. The marker's running out of ink, the inconvenience of saving and sharing meeting notes. The Meetboard app is a user-friendly whiteboard application for interactive meetings. Intuitive pen writing lets users draw and sketch out ideas accurately. Two styluses allow users to annotate with two colors simultaneously. Drawings can be intuitively wiped using the palm or fist. For uninterrupted discussions, new pages can be added to keep meetings going. Moreover, participants can insert images for demonstrating ideas into the Meetboard app. Move selected objects and zoom in or out to use the Meetboard app canvas efficiently. At the end of a session, users can instantly share meeting files via email, QR code, and cloud storage. When participants bring their own devices to attend meetings, sharing files or ideas can be a struggle. Cable clutter usually interrupts discussions and breaks off collaboration. ScreenShare Pro app delivers sharing capabilities for meeting rooms. Users can mirror devices no matter what operating system team members use. Multi-screen sharing can enhance collaboration and boost efficiency. Additionally, ScreenShare Pro allows users to control Meetboard remotely from handheld devices. Traditionally, presenters spend too much effort to setting up devices and preparing files. The preloaded WPS Office app supports any document type and lets presenters simply import files and make memorable presentations. Meetboard is AG Neovo's all-in-one meeting and collaboration solution, designed for modern meeting rooms. 4K interactive displays for collaborative meeting rooms.